Got a minute? Let's make this. It's a beast of a feast, the classic shrimp Louis. If you're going for a salad, here's how to make it memorable. Shrimp and lemon, bay leaves, and peppercorns in a pot of boiling water make it real tasty. Cook the shrimp for just a few minutes until it's pink. Then dunk them in ice water to stop the cooking process. Next, cook up some pasta. These shells are perfect for the shrimp Louis. Now get your salad ingredients together. Romaine and fixins like tomatoes and carrots, sliced cucumbers, and avocado and cooked eggs. Now for the dressing. Combine mayonnaise, chili sauce, a little vinegar, a dash of Worcestershire, and some sweet relish. Give it a stir, and let's start building this beauty. Romaine leaves line the plate, and chopped romaine is the base. Then mix the shrimp and pasta together with a little dressing just to coat, and put that front and center. The rest of the artistry is up to you. More dressing on the side makes this classic shrimp and pasta Louis one memorable meal. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.